in the neighborhood of the Bronx, 5 are dead. The killer taunted authorities by writing 2 letters, both signed Son of Sam.
Why didn't you tell me things had gotten so bad?
I know you're taking some sick satisfaction.
No.
Seeing me like this.
June E. Lee published her first novel at the age of 28.
This condition, it's all in your head.
Hello? Is anyone there? Hello?
Record heat continues throughout the 5 boroughs.
Leave me alone!
A new letter was received by police promising more bloodshed.
It's like someone is genuinely trying to scare me.
We got nuts out there in that heat.
This place is changing.
Have you not learned anything from looking out from up here? Maybe it's like a calling.
From the gutters of New York.
Go outside, face your fears.
It's something much more sinister than that.